doesn't just show up to work, but owns the job site, the highway, and the weekend adventure all at once. That's exactly the feeling the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado delivers the moment you see it roll in. Bold, confident, and unapologetically American. The first thing that hits you is the presence. The Silverado's design in 2026 feels sharper and more muscular than ever. With a wider stance, a taller hood, and a front grille that looks like it means business. The LED lighting is slimmer and more aggressive, giving the truck a modern edge while still keeping that classic Silverado toughness. Every line feels purposeful, from the sculpted sides that improve aerodynamics to the strong rear design that reminds you this truck is built to haul, tow, and dominate heavy-duty tasks without breaking a sweat. Step inside, and the Silverado surprises you. This is no longer just a rugged work truck, it's a rolling command center. Cabin feels spacious and thoughtfully designed, with higher quality materials across the board. Soft touch surfaces, contrast stitching, and durable trims strike a perfect balance between luxury and toughness. The driver-focused cockpit makes everything easy to reach, and a large digital display paired with a wide infotainment screen gives the interior a tech-forward feel. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are seamless. The voice commands are smarter, and the system responds quickly, making everyday driving smoother and more enjoyable. Under the hood is where the 2026 Silverado truly flexes its muscles. Chevrolet continues to offer a wide range of engine options, catering to every type of driver, from efficient turbocharged engines for daily use to powerful V8 sound designed for serious towing and hauling. There's a Silverado for everyone. The highlight remains the torque-rich engines that make towing heavy trailers feel effortless, whether you're pulling a boat, a camper, or a work trailer. The Silverado feels stable, confident, and in complete control, even at highway speeds or on steep inclines. On the road, the Silverado feels surprisingly refined for a full-size pickup. The suspension is tuned to handle rough terrain while still delivering a comfortable ride on long drives. Steering feels more precise than you'd expect from a truck of this size, making city, driving, and parking far less intimidating. Noise insulation has also improved, keeping the cabin quiet even when the engine is working hard or when you're cruising at higher speeds. Off-road capability is another strong point for the 2026 model. With available four-wheel drive systems, upgraded suspension options, and advanced traction management, the Silverado is ready for mud, sand, snow, and rocky trails. The truck adapts intelligently to different surfaces, giving you confidence even when conditions get tough. This makes it just as suitable for adventurous weekends as it is for demanding workdays. Safety and driver assistance features are more advanced than ever. The Silverado comes equipped with a full suite of modern safety technologies, including forward collision alerts, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assistance, and blind spot monitoring that even accounts for trailers. These features don't just protect you, they actively reduce stress, especially when towing or driving in busy traffic. What truly sets the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado apart is its versatility. A truck that can be a reliable work partner during the week, a comfortable family vehicle in the evening, and a powerful adventure machine on the weekend. Add in its impressive durability, strong resale value, and Chevrolet's long-standing reputation for building tough, dependable trucks, and you get a pickup that feels like a smart, long-term investment. The 2026 Silverado isn't trying to be just another truck. It's built to be the truck you rely on when the job is serious, the road is long, and the expectations are high. If you're looking for a pickup that blends raw power, modern technology, everyday comfort, and legendary toughness, the Chevrolet Silverado stands tall and delivers on every front.